Welcome to Positive Atheism English channel. Today I am going to read out you the article Gora, a Gandhian Atheist, written by Dr. Sunanda Sheth, retired HOD and Professor, Department of History, Nirmala College of Women from Coimbatore. The 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation, who is hailed as man of the millennium in view of his far-reaching impact on society across caste, color, creed, race, faith, nationality, and ideology, calls for the celebration of his thoughts and deeds. Gandhi, who is recognized as one of the most revolutionaries and father of modern protest movement all over the world, caused a silent revolution without bloodshed, hatred, or enmity, but with truth, non-violence, and satyagraha. He not only fought for political freedom of India, but also for social, economic, and moral upliftment of its people. He aimed at upholding the dignity of the individual, freedom from fear, difference, and inequality in every field. His philosophy and actions bear great lessons for generations to come. On the occasion of the 11th World Atheist Conference organized by the Atheist Center Vijayawada, it is apt to recall the interestingly intimate association of Gora, an uncompromising atheist, with Gandhi, essentially a man of religion and God. Gandhi believed in the absolute reality, the omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient force, and held that he could work for his well being of a fellow humans only due to God's grace. On the other hand, for Gora, there was nothing absolute in this universe. He disbelieved in everything beyond the comprehension of man and hence rejected the concept of God and related concepts such as soul, rebirth, fate, heaven, hell, etc. It was his firm belief that he could work with an open mind selflessly for that in spite of society only on account of his atheism. It is surprising to note that in sight of this contrast, Gandhi and Gora could understand each other, cooperate, and work together without any confrontation. Gora admired Gandhi for all his virtues and considered him as his mentor. Gora could see in Gandhi a far great revolutionary man than what he has taken to be his contemporaries. He was very much influenced by Gandhi in several ways. It was Gandhi who strengthened Gora's conviction that honesty is the basic requirement in social life. Gora's personal interaction with Gandhi in 1930s and more intimately in 1940s at Sevagram Ashram convinced him of the efficacy of truth, non-violence, and satyagraha as potent tools to achieve social and political changes which Gora practiced ever since. Gora was immensely attracted by the highly rational and open-minded nature of Gandhi. Further, Gora's patriotic spirit brought him closer to Gandhian ideals. Gora soon became convinced that Gandhism is not a dry dicta, but it is an action-oriented political philosophy of self-sacrifice, self-discipline, and self-involvement. Gandhi's stress on peaceful and open means in preference to secrecy and conspiracy of any kind, both in public affairs as well as in personal life, immensely impressed Gora, which he imbibed and adopted in his life and work. Gora's adoration of Gandhi was like that of most young and devout hero worshippers of the time. During their first meeting, Gandhi said, "What shall I talk to a godless man?" Gora replied, "I am not a godless man, I am an atheist." Gandhi wanted to know the difference and Gora explained, "Godlessness is negative. It merely denies the existence of God. Atheism is positive. It asserts the condition that results from the denial of God." Gora then explained all the activities that he has engaged in villages and with the students like fighting against superstition, caste system, untouchability, creating scientific temper, etc. Gandhi was pleased. He could see in Gora a sincere, selfless, and dedicated worker. Atheism. Gora believed in a positive way of life, though generally viewed as negative. He said, atheism is negative in form, but positive in content like the words fearless, non-violence, and the like. Atheism, according to Gora, means an expression of man's free will and confidence and hence of theistic belief. Further, Gora held that free will as natural to man as slave mind is, man is theistic and atheist in parts. Gora wanted atheism not to remain a negative philosophy by merely rejecting the concept of God and religion, but an atheist should assume responsibility for his actions in the absence of God or any external entity. An atheist, he held, should be a moral individual not because morality is a passport to heaven, but because it is a social necessity. Moral values, he said, are to be an integral part of atheism. Virtue, according to Gora, consists of life of duty and responsibility. Gora called his atheism positive atheism. It is in his positive attitude and actions, though with a disbelief in God, that Gora stands unique. It is this positivity and uniqueness that attracted Gandhi and convinced him that Gora was a different kind of an atheist. In his love for humanity, Gora came close to Gandhi. There were several traits common to both of them, like simple living, high thinking, and personal discipline, and do what you say and say what you do. Gora followed the footsteps of Gandhi in all his social activities and constructive work programs. Gora's association with Gandhi turned him more towards practical programs for the removal of untouchability, social injustice, and economic inequality, and for communal harmony. As such, Gora became a staunch supporter of Gandhism. Both Gandhi and Gora attached great importance to individual freedom. Very much akin to Gandhian thought, Gora believed that man is the master of the system and institutions he has created, and it is most important for an individual to become free and fearless, first and foremost to lead a meaningful life. And from here, we shall continue in the next episode again. Thank you.
For more videos, please subscribe to this channel Positive Atheism and activate the bell icon. Please download Samaram multi-channel app and watch your favorite channels from your mobile. App available on Google Play Store and subscribe to the channels.